Welcome. In this video I'm going to be taking a look at this 3.2-inch clamp-on table vise. So this was provided to me by the distributor, but they're not compensating me for this video and they're not reviewing it before I post it. If you find this video helpful and you want to purchase one of these, I'll put a link to it in the description. And if you use that link, it helps me out a little bit and doesn't cost anything extra. So let's get this open. So it looks like we have soft jaws there. Looks like we have some jaw covers maybe. Here's the vise itself. And we have the manual. Let's take a quick look at it. Now I'm not going to cover everything in here. You want to read through it on your own. So this shows the different parts, shows how to disassemble it, switching out the jaws, talks about clamping it. Let's pull this out. So this clamps to a table or work surface. I have a tape measure here. So this should be 3.2. It looks like right at 3 1/4. And this opens up to, looks like right about 3. So let's try clamping this to my bench. So I have a bench here that's made of 2 layers of MDF, so it's about 1.5 inches thick. So I'll clamp this to it. So I think that's secure. Now this does seem to have a little bit of oil on it from packing to preserve it so it doesn't rust. So this can rotate. It has a little cam here that we can lower. So we can open that up to rotate. Then we can lock that down to tighten it. Now there is a nut under there if you need to tighten it up further. And then this will open up here. And the Amazon listing said this opens up to 2.5 inches. So right about there. So it looks like I can open it up a little bit further, but eventually it will probably come apart. So let me try clamping something in this. I just have a piece of wood here. Okay, so that's clamped. It's very solid in there. So it feels like this is connected to my workbench here. It's all clamped tight. Now that's going to make some marks in this wood, obviously. So we do have some other accessories here. Pull all these out. So these are plastic jaws we can put on here. So looks like they maybe clip on from the top. Yep. So that's going to provide a little cushion. So if you're working on something a little more fragile, you can use those. This is a torch. I really don't want to bend this, but I could place that in here and tighten that down, and that's going to cushion it. Let's open up this other bag. So here we have some gloves. Now I have large hands. Let's see. These kind of fit. They're probably meant for a little bit smaller hand, but if you just need some gloves, those could work. And here we have some cushions. So this cushion could go under here if you have a surface you don't want to get marred. So there's 2 sets of those, and then it has the piece that goes on the clamp itself. So if you need to cushion this, you can put all that on there. So that can go in like so. And this can go on here. So that will cushion the surface. Now I really don't need that with this workbench, but they are there. Then we have 4 sets of these really soft rubber covers. So this has little grooves in it, so you could say put a dowel in here or something, and this one just fits over like so. So we have multiple types of jaw covers, so we could place this wood in here now. I'll do the other side. And that's going to grip without marring the wood. Now that kind of stuck to the wood, but that's fine. So it does have a little anvil kind of surface here, so you could use that for, say, bending or flattening things. Let me get a little piece of pipe here. Let's try clamping this down. So I want to clamp this kind of in front, so I'll rotate this. And I'm going to use these jaws. And I'll open this up. And I'll kind of center that in the groove, and I'll tighten that down. I'll actually shorten this a little bit. Okay, and now that's in there very sturdy, so if I wanted to cut this, I could cut it. So here I have a pole saw. Let's try cutting this. Now the better this is clamped, the easier this is going to cut, because when you're running the saw, it's not going to waste the energy of your saw strokes. So that gave me a very nice cut. It was supported very well. So So that's the 3.2-inch clamp-on table vise. If you have a temporary work surface, or maybe you don't have a lot of work surface, a clamp-on vise like this can really come in handy. You can put this on your table or bench when you're using it, and then remove it when you're not needing it. Now this is 3.2 inches by about 2.5 inches, so this would be good for smaller projects like model making, jewelry. You could use this for smaller metalwork projects, crafts. I like that it comes with an assortment of soft jaw covers, so if you're working with things like wood and plastic, you won't leave the jaw marks inside of your work. This was very easy to use. You just clamp it to your bench, and it has a little cam here to lock the rotation. And as I said before, if you need to tighten up that rotation, there is a nut on the bottom. But the operation was very easy to operate, closed up nicely, and it feels very sturdy. So that's all I'm going to cover in this video. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. If you like this video, please click like. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I'd appreciate it if you could do that. And thanks for watching. And until next time, goodbye.